Hello students. So in previous video we read about eating healthy with Gunduram. Half of the chapter, half of the story we have covered. First and second page. So in first and second page what we read? A boy named Gunduram who was loved to eat more, loved to eat junk food continuously. For that he became sluggish, got less stamina and also become very slow and but obese. Okay, so then suddenly once a day while eating chips and playing video games, so his mother said him go outside and play, do a walk and also play, or you go outside to the garden. So by become angry, the Gunduram went to the garden, and there he met with the goddess of garden whose name was Sakambari. Okay, and she was wearing the dresses of made of different types of vegetables and fruits. Okay, and she suddenly the lady, radiant lady, asked him what happened and what was the problem. So continuously the Gunduram said all his complaint about his life, how he became obese, how he became slow, how all teachers scold him, how mother scold him, how all he doesn't like to play outside, don't get energy also, he has less stamina. Everything he said with the radiant lady. So the radiant lady called him, said, let's let's come with me. I will introduce with you my different friends, my various friends. Okay. So saying, Sakambari started walking towards the tomato fish with Gundu running to catch up with her. So the radiant lady said, come with me. So he just went towards a tomato patch. Tomato patch means tomato plants. Okay, and the Gunduram also followed. Now page number 34. Okay, so with my blessings you will be able to hear these friends talk for some time. Come along, she said. So Sakambari, the goddess of garden, told Gunduram that if with my blessing I will bless you, and you, if you will able to hear, if you will obey my friends talk, then you can be profitable and you will be profitable. So sometime you listen my friends. So she first walked him through the tomato bed. So there are so many tomato plants are there. So Gunduram went with her towards the tomato beds. As he looked searching for Sakambari's friend, the cherry red tomatoes growing in patches greeted him excitedly. Hello Gundu. So Gunduram, what he thought? That he will meet some friends of the what? Sakambari, who will be a man or woman or a boy or a girl. But suddenly the Gunduram searching, nobody is there, and who is her friend? He is just searching anywhere, no one is finding. But suddenly the tomatoes, red, cherry means what? Red tomatoes. Okay, juicy tomatoes. Cherry means happy, and juicy tomatoes. The tomatoes are happy, they are laughing. Okay, so the tomatoes, look here, picture is one picture also given in your page number 34. The tomato is laughing and the tomato is greeting, hello, good morning to the Gundu. That exactly. After overcoming his pleasant shock at hearing the red tomato speak, overcoming his pleasant shock. So pleasant means happy, shock means sudden feeling. Okay, if you are going on the way, a tomato will talk with you. How do you feel? Can a tomato talk? So it is all magic. The Sakambari did a magic. Okay, so suddenly Gunduram shocked and also happy also that a red tomato is talking with him. And the tomato say, he heard them saying, we tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, B and C. Okay, in science you read about different vitamins. Okay, so the tomato said that we tomatoes are rich, and our in tomatoes full of vitamin A, B, C. If you have words, you can avoid colds, coughs and many other problems. If you always eat tomatoes, if you add tomatoes in your food, then you will not suffer from cold, cough and many other problems or many other diseases. Okay. The best part is you can eat also in curries, salads, juices, we are delicious. Okay, tomatoes are red, looking nice, and they are also tastier also. If you add the tomatoes in your curry, it becomes more tastier. Okay, so you can add it in your curry, you can cook it, and you can eat also raw in salads. And generally, children like to eat raw the tomatoes. Okay, so it is very juicy also, juice, full of juice, so it is delicious. So if you add this tomatoes in your food, then you will be what, free from cold, cough and other diseases, and it is full of vitamin A, B and C. Next, they crossed a patch. So first friend he met, he was very shocked and happy also. Then next they crossed a patch that looked empty, a ground which is empty, there is nothing, no plant, nothing. Okay, so Sakambar said this too is a veggie patch. So this land also full of vegetables. How? You might think it is empty, you think no plant is there, nothing is there, it is empty ground, but you are saying it is full of veggies. So but there are potatoes under the ground. So where the potatoes grow? Under the ground. Generally all the children love to eat potatoes, but they do wrong use. How? So suddenly Gundu heard the potato speak. So how the tomato greeted? Potatoes also greeted him, and so suddenly the potatoes told how, hi Gundu. They said, the potatoes said to Gundu, hi. They called out, everyone loves such, but most people make a mistake. So potatoes, it is a favorite vegetable of all the children. So the potato said, every children, every persons like me, but they do wrong use. How wrong use? They like us fried. You generally like to eat potato chips. It is fried, deep fry in oil, which is very dangerous for our health. Okay, so people's or children's like to fry it. Okay, but no one realized that we lost much of the good in us, which oily and fried, which you fry in the deep fry in oil. If you use so much oil, then you lost all the vitamins, valuable things from the potatoes. However, when we are boiled or baked, if you boil us or bake us, we have lots of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C and many more good things. So potato is full of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine and vitamin C. So all these necessary things are full of food in the potatoes. So when you do a deep fry or fry, then you lost all these valuable things from potato, which is not completely useless for us. Okay. The potato said, you must eat us with what? By baking or boiling. Gundu felt bad. He had eaten so many potatoes. So always Gunduram also liked to eat potatoes. In his life he had eaten many potatoes, but fried. You get chips from the market, potato chips also. There is no value. All that chips lost every vitamins useful things. Okay. So Gunduram felt that he ate many potatoes in his life, but he lost all these things, useful things from the potato. So he told them, from now on I will eat you in the right way. So Gunduram promised Protas that from today I will eat the potatoes in right way, not frying, by boiling or baking. Binding the potatoes goodbye. Binding means what? Wishing. So Gunduram wishing bye to the potatoes. Again Sakambari led him further to the pumpkin patch. So first they met with what? Tomatoes. Next potato. Then come to pumpkin. I know pumpkin is disliked by all the children. Normally children don't like to eat pumpkin, but it is also very useful for our health. Okay. So a plum pumpkin spoke to him. Pumpkin, it is a big. Plump means what? Having a full rounded shape. It is a pumpkin. I drew here one picture also. So pumpkin is big. It is a rounded shape. So a plump means a rounded shape. Pumpkin also spoke to Gunduram. Okay. So did you know that I have countless vitamin in me? So pumpkin asked. Generally pumpkin no children like to eat him. So the pumpkin said, did you know that is countless means you can count how many vitamins in my body. My juice cleans the stomach. If you drink juice of the pumpkin, it cleans your stomach. Okay. Then throws out the bad fats. If you are healthy, if you are fat, if you continuously drink the juice of pumpkin, it will throw out the bad fat. You will become again your good health, slim. If you eat me in time, you will lose your extra fat and become healthy. So generally, when we eat oily foods, and when we don't go outside to play and we stay at home and continuously playing with mobile or videos, all this, we gain more fat. Okay, so if you drink the pumpkin juice and also you add the pumpkin in your food regularly, that means you will lose your extra fat in your body and you become healthy. Similarly, Sakambari and Gundu visited all the vegetables growing in the garden. So different vegetables here in your book is given carrot, capsicum, chili, brinjal, or then onion, all the vegetables. So not details given. So they talked with tomato, potato, pumpkin, and also they visited different vegetables in the garden, growing in the garden, and each had a wonderful tale to tell something interesting facts to say. So everyone, each and every vegetables in the garden talked with the Gunduram, and they said their usefulness, and they all requested to add us in your food regularly. Okay, finally, pleased with Gundu's excited and glowing face, Sakambari gave him a hug and said to him, I have to go now and help other children like you. So not only Gunduram in his world who likes to eat junk food. Like Gunduram, many lakh children who are like to eat junk foods, they doesn't like to eat vegetables. So Sakambari helps and moves or visits each and every children to say the usefulness of the vegetables or fruits. So Sakambari hugged Gunduram and said, let me go now, and I have to visit another child like you who is also sitting at home and eating junk foods. Okay, so remember to keep enjoying your friends from the fields. So the Gunduram has a garden, they visited in his garden. So the Sakambari said, don't forget to use the vegetables in your garden and enjoy the vegetables in your garden. If you remember their words and eat all the right kinds of food. So Sakambari said, if you remember the words what the vegetables told you and use them properly or in right way, then you will soon be healthy and happy. You will be healthy and happy. You will get more energy, more stamina, and you will increase your interest in your study and playing. So saying, she waved a cherry goodbye and vanished. So that was a magic lady, na? The Sakambari was a magic lady. So he just waved means showing his hand goodbye and vanished. He disappeared from that place. Gundu looked around and realized that the vegetable patches had all fallen silent. Okay, Gunduram looked around. Now no vegetable is talking with him. All are silent. Okay, but he knew that he was no longer alone in the garden. But he realized that he was not alone in the garden. So many vegetables are there who are ready to help Gunduram to gain again his stamina, to gain again his healthy body and energy to to read or play. Okay. He knew that he was no longer alone in the garden. From that day, Gundu knew the veggies and fruits were his best friends. So from that day, he realized that all the vegetables, all the fruits are his best friend, true friends, and he made his mind to eat well. So from that day, Gunduram made of it, made his mind that he will be habituated with the good habit or good eating habit. Okay, and he will use all the or include all the vegetables, fruits in his food, and he also obey the right way to eat the vegetables and fruits. From then on, much to everyone's surprise, Gundu began to enjoy vegetables in all forms: boiled, baked, curried, and raw. Okay, all are what? Surprised, because before that Gunduram never liked to eat all these vegetables, curry or boiled or salad or raw. So from that day Gunduram loved to eat all the vegetables in all forms: boiled, baked, curried, raw, without oil, with low oil, and so all were surprised what change came in Gunduram and how change came in Gunduram. So he of course still enjoyed chips and chocolates like all his friends, but he ate them less than before. So it doesn't mean that we will completely leave the chips or chocolates. These are made for children. Okay, so for some time means rarely, if we enjoy, it will not affect our health. If we are eating all the vegetables, fruits regularly in proper order, in right manner, then also we if use some chips also, nothing happened. Okay, so Gunduram ate the chips or the junk foods, but less amount. Okay, soon he became healthy and strong, and both mentally and physically, just by eating right. So from that day he became healthy and strong with both mentally and physically. Okay, he again get back or gain his good health and a good mind and his stamina, and all the teachers, friends, his parents were surprised that by looking the change in Gunduram. Okay, so this story is imaginary. Okay, so no vegetables will talk with you, no circumambuli will come to talk with you, but in this story the poet, the writer Radhika Krishna Kumar written a good, interesting story to teach you the value of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so from this story, I hope you can understand the value of the fruits and vegetables, and you also include these fruits and vegetables in your food regularly. Who are saying to parents no to eat the potatoes or the what pumpkin or the tomatoes? So from I hope from today you will include all these things in your food chart. Okay, and for if you eat vegetables, fruits, you will get lot of energy, lot of stamina for study, and you become healthier. So this is all about today's story. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.